Welcome Fisher Moore to another personal development video. Today we're once again diving into the fascinating world of morphemes. Now, we went through this last time, but some of you might still be wondering, what is a morpheme? Time for some retrieval practice. Answer the following question correctly and you'll get a merit. What is a morpheme? Your PD tutor will pause the video now to give you a chance to answer. Just a bit of housekeeping. Remember, we don't shout out. Wait patiently for your tutor to select you if you want to be in with a chance of winning a merit. Okay, let's reveal the answer. A morpheme is the smallest unit of language that carries meaning. Simply put, it's a building block that allows us to make words. So now we've re-established what a morpheme is, let's zoom in on one. Today's morpheme of the week is ma. First things first, where does the ma morpheme come from and what does it mean? Well, ma derives from the Latin word mare, which means the sea or the ocean. Over time, this morpheme has found its way into the English language, adding meaning to various words. Now let's explore some words with the ma morpheme and their meanings. Marine. We've just established that ma refers to the sea. Well, the suffix "-ine" means of, so marine is related to things that are of the sea. In the military, a marine is a soldier trained to serve on land or sea. With this in mind, it should be simple to work out what submarine means. We know that marine means of the sea. Have a think about what the prefix sub might mean. Pause the video and see if you can work it out. Hint: think of other words containing the prefix sub. Your personal development tutor will pause the video now. Okay, the prefix sub means below. So simply put, in morphology, a submarine literally means a vessel that can travel below the surface of the sea. Submarine, beneath the sea. Here's one more example of the morpheme ma as it exists in modern English. Let's have a look at the word marinate. The first syllables, ma and in, combine to mean something like to soak in a sauce or liquid to make a food more flavourful. It comes from the word marinade, which is a mixture of ingredients like spices, oil, vinegar or other liquids that you can use to flavour and tenderise food. The final morpheme, ate, is a suffix that we add to the end of a word to show that it's a verb. So when we add ate to marin, we get marinate, which means the action of soaking food in a marinade to make it tastier. So if you're cooking and you want your food to have a delicious taste, you can marinate it. Fascinating, isn't it? These words all share a common thread of ma in them, connecting their meaning to the idea of liquid. Now let's test your knowledge with a question. Here is a sentence containing our morpheme of the week. The submarine lurched and groaned under the immense pressure of the ocean. Each colossal creak made us squirm and whimper. And now for some questions about the extract. Question 1. Can you spot any verbs, adjectives or nouns in the extract? Question 2. What do these words imply or suggest about the submarine? And question 3. What do we learn about the emotional experience of those travelling in the submarine? Pause the video now and have a chat about each of these questions. Once you've finished, your PD tutor will resume the video. Okay, time to look at some answers. On the screen is a breakdown of the word classes in the sentence. On the right, there are some examples of what each of these word classes mean. How many were you able to find? If you struggled to identify any nouns, verbs or adjectives, perhaps it's time to have a chat with your English teacher so that you can clarify what this terminology means. For question 2, it's clear that the words lurched and groaned imply that the submarine is struggling to fulfil its function under the ocean. Perhaps its older has been shoddily made. Either way, we associate groaned with pain, and this example of personification suggests that the sub might be on the verge of breaking down. Finally, the use of the verbs squirm and whimper create a semantic field of fear, as these are the actions that one might perform when experiencing fear. They contrast with the colossal creaks that must seem deafening by comparison. Well done, Fisher Moore. Today we've uncovered the secrets of the ma morpheme, exploring its origins and discovering its impact on various words. Remember, understanding morphemes helps us to unlock the deeper meanings behind words and enhances our language skills. The last thing to do is to make sure your tutor updates their Word of the Week poster containing a word with the morpheme ma in it. Thanks for that, you lot. Join us next time for more educational adventures. Until then, keep exploring and expanding your knowledge. Bye!